Hello friends, my name is Amit Thakur. Welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about the comparable interface and comparator interface. What is the difference and how can we implement sorting algorithm in Java, okay, with the help of this interface. So before starting, just I would request you to like the video and click on subscribe button. Okay, so see, in many interviews, this question asked very frequently, what is the difference between comparable and comparator? Okay, so see, comparable is the interface and comparator is also the interface. So comparable provides a single sorting sequence. Okay, like in other words, we can sort the collection on the basis of single element such as ID, name, and price, either by ID, either by name or price, any one of them. Okay, so and comparable interface provide a compare to method. This is the interface. It has single method which is compared to. It takes only single object and input object O1. Okay, return the integer value. And this interface present in the java and .lang package. In okay, so we can sort the list of element comparable by type of collections.sort. So collection is the class inside this one sort method where we have to pass the list which contain our uh, members elements basically. Okay, so it contain the objects. Okay, and we can sort these object, like example I have given the mobile, so it might be this list can contain the mobile object. Okay, and then we can sort these mobiles by brand, either by brand or price or rating, any one of the field, any one of the attribute we can use only. Okay, so we can sort only either by brand or price or rating, any one of the field. We cannot. Okay, but in comparator provides a multiple sorting sequence. In other words, we can sort the collection on the basis of multiple elements such as ID, name, price, or brand price rating. Okay, and we can sort the object on the basis of all the attributes. Okay, so example, I have the list of mobiles and I want to sort these mobiles on the basis of price. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one class. Okay, like mobile mobile compare by price. Okay, comparator mobile compare by price. Okay, and which will implement the comparator interface. Okay, this comparator interface this interface present in the java.util package, and we can sort the list of elements of comparator type by the collections.sort, where we have to pass the list and the type of the class. Like as I mentioned, that we can create multiple classes. Like I will create one class like compare by brand. Okay, second I will create another class mobile compare by price. Third class mobile compare by rating. Okay, so any one of the class we have to pass. If I want to sort by the brand, then I will pass compare mobile by brand. So all the mobile, okay, list, okay, the list which contain list of mobiles, that will sort by the brand. Okay, no, I will say no, today tomorrow I want to compare by the price, so I will pass the new compare by price mobile. Okay, compare by price, so it will sort the list of mobiles by against the price. So we can achieve this. So multiple sorting sequence we can use here, but here there is a limitation. We can either sort by the brand or price, any one of whatever you are implementing. Okay, whatever logic you are writing inside this compare to method on against the particular attribute, only against that attribute you can sort the element in the list. Okay, so that's why it's for the natural ascending natural sorting order. Basically it's for the natural sorting order, this comparable. Okay, this is the difference. Let's try to implement this uh, in Java. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let me create one class, Pojo class. Okay, like mobile class com dot demo3. Let me create one mobile class first. Okay. Mm, okay, so this is my Pojo class. Here I define three attributes like private, string, brand. Okay, private double price, private int rating. Let me initialize these all variables, okay, through the constructor, okay. Double price int rating. So this dot brand equal to brand, okay. This dot price equal to price. This dot rating equal to rating, okay. So now I will try to generate the getter and setter method for all three variables. Source, just go to generate getter and setter, select all three members and generate the getters and setters, okay. Now I will try to override this toString method also, okay. So we can see the output in the proper format, basically readable format, okay. So it will, that's why I'm implementing this toString method, okay. And right now I'm not implementing an interface here. Let's see, let's try to add list of mobiles and try to sort it. Let's see what happens, okay, without implement the interface. So let me write the test client, okay, test client demo. Here I will add the public static void main, okay. Here let me create the list first, list which will contain the mobile, right, list of mobiles. So list, mobile list, I can say mobile list equal to new of array list, okay. Let me implement the list interface, import, okay, quick fix, okay. So we have the list, mobile list. Now I will add the object, new object, okay. So mobile list dot add, so new of mobile, okay. So brand, so let's say brand is Sony, okay, and price is, let's say, 34,000, okay, and rating is the 3. In similar I will try to create 5, around 5 object, 3 4 5. So this is, let's say, iPhone, okay, and this is 98,000, rating is 5. This is Samsung, okay, this is 56,000, okay, rating is 2. And Geo, let's say 6,000, rating is 1. And Lee TV, okay, and this is 14,000 something, okay, 14,000, and rating is 4, okay. So I have the, now I have the 5's mobile. Now I will try to print this, first I will try to print what is the, whether it's sorted or not. Obviously it will not be sorted, okay. Before sorting, enhance for loop, okay. So mobile m, okay, and okay, I will give like this, and mobile list, right, just print it. I have implemented the toString method, so it will print the mobile object, okay, properly. So this is the thing, okay. So we can check what is the order right now. So just control F11, okay. So this is not sorted right now, see. So in whatever order I have entered, in same order it's getting printed, okay. So this is not, right now my list is not sorted, okay. Okay, so uh, so one more, I want to add one more actually here. Oh, it's okay, no issue, okay. So So, right now, if I try to sort this list with the help of collections dot sort, okay, it will give the error. See, mobile list. I will tell you why. See, it's giving the error. See, because the collection is not applicable for the argument or list mobile, because this is the user defined object. Mobile is the user defined object. This is not the predefined objects. User defined object, like I created this mobile object. This is my class. So list is not able to understand. Okay. So here in collection.sort, it expecting the object which must implement the comparable interface or comparator interface. Okay. It must implement the comparable interface. But right now this mobile class does not implement any interface, comparable interface. That's why it's giving the error. If this list contains a string type object, let's say instead of mobile I'm using string, then it will work, because string class already implement the um, this comparable interface. You can see and can check the string class here. So the string class already implement the comparable interface. Okay, that's why it works. Okay, because and this comparable interface has one method which is only single method, compareTo method, which take one object, okay, return the integer value. Okay, so we need to, so to avoid this error, okay, to remove this error, compilation error, we need to implement the comparable interface. Let's go to the mobile class and implement this. Implements comparable, comparable. Okay, and what type of object it will take? It will take the mobile type of objects. Okay, now it's saying to implement the this unimplement method. Okay, so see, add unimplement methods. So there's only one method compared to methods. So here we need to write our logic. Okay, so you can write the logic. So like as I mentioned, if you are implementing the comparable interface, it has a compare to method. So you can use only one attribute, either brand, price, or rating. Okay, so here let's say I want to sort my mobile object on the basis of name or brand. Okay, so I will, what I will do, okay, so this is O. I will simply compare by the brand. Okay, so this dot, it always compare with the current object. Okay, this dot, okay, we don't, because we have only single object input. This dot get brand. Okay, let's say get brand. Okay, and this is a string class, and string class has the compareTo method already. See, if you will see here, see, compareTo method is already there. Okay, in the string class, because in string class already implement the comparable interface. All the predefined objects are implementing these objects basically. Okay, so here like integer has compare method. Okay, integer has compare method. So here like o dot, okay, so I want to compare this class brand with the input which is coming with get brand. So I have implemented it. Simple, nothing. Just I implement a comparable interface which is taking mobile type of object, and I just write the logics. This dot get brand dot compare to. So we have the natural order. We will receive the natural ordering, means ascending order. Okay. So here, so if you will see, this order has gone now. See, and again if I print, okay, if I print okay, after sorting, okay, we can see whether we are getting the correct order or not after sorting. Okay, so for loop mobile, I'm trying to put the mobile and mobile list. Okay, this now it's my list is sorted, so I should get the, so I should get the list which is sorted by the brand mobile. Okay, let's control. Okay, let me just refactor. Okay, okay, so let me just run the control F11. Let's see what is the output. Okay, see, so before sorting, this is the sequence, but after sorting, see, it's sorted by I. See, brand. So I, J, L, S, S. Correct? Right? So it's already sorted. Second character is A. That's why Samsung is here. Sony is after this. Okay? Because second character is A, and this second character is O here. Because first character was same. That's why. So we can see we have received the list of mobile in sorting order, in proper order. Okay? So but you can sort either by the brand or either by the price, okay, with the help of comparable. Okay, so if you will see here, we have mentioned, right, comparable provides a single sorting sequence. In other words, we can sort the collection on the basis of single element, such by id, name, or price. Okay, it is a compare to method. And we can pass like this collection.sort list. Same thing we have did it, right? Now, okay, so now so this is the requirement. So if we have to achieve the natural sorting, okay, and by default value, then you can then use the comparable interface. Okay, but you have the requirement to sort your list, okay, against the different attributes. Okay, so we can use the comparator interface. Comparator interface take two objects in the input. In the comparator interface, there's a method, compare method, which take two objects, object 1 and object 2. Okay, and and we can compare with these two different objects. We can compare these two different objects. So let me try to explain you how can we implement the comparator interface. So okay, this is my mobile class. Okay, let me okay, let me go to, so there are multiple ways basically. So first I will try to create one class, okay, which will implement the comparator interface. Okay, so I okay, let me create new class. So I will say like mobile compare by, let's say, price. Okay, just finish. So I will create new class, okay, which will implement the comparator interface. Okay, implements COMPARATOR, right? So here we have to define the type, which type of object you want to compare. So I'm saying mobile. Okay, so mobile type of objects I want to. So it is saying please implement the add the unimplement methods. So this compare method is there. So if you go to comparator method, there's a single one. This is also functional interface. Functional interface, I will explain you in my next video what is a functional interface. Okay, so there's one method, compare method, which take two different objects, t1 and the o1 and o2. Okay, so we have to write the logic here. So here I want to write the logic. Okay, so see, there are two ways we can use the compare to method also. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, so we have these two objects, mobile o1 and mobile o2. Okay, so I will tell you. You see, if o1 o1 dot price greater than o2 dot price, okay, then I will return plus 1. Okay, if o1 dot price is less than o2 dot price, I will return minus 1, else 0 if both are same. Okay, so I will implement like this. If, okay, o1 dot get price is greater than o2 dot get price greater than, so what I am returning, I return plus 1, right? Okay, else if o1 dot get price is less than o2 dot get price, then I will return the minus 1. Correct? If both are same, if o1 dot price equal to o2 dot price, okay, then I will return 0. Okay, okay. So if it's greater than, sorry, return plus 1. I already mentioned, I don't know how it's treated. Okay, so this is the, see, Okay, so I have implemented this compare method, okay, from the comparator class. So these two objects I need to pass, correct? So this is my class, okay, and now I want to know, I want to compare my object by, let's say, okay, let's first try to check whether how it's working, correct? So let's go to the test client, okay, and here let's okay, let's comment out this code first, okay, okay, let me do because I don't want to sort this, okay, by brand. I want to sort by the price, okay. So here instead of this, so what I will do, collections, right, dot sort, correct. So here I will pass the list, mobile list, correct. And here I'm telling to my collections class to sort method, please sort my list of mobiles against the price, okay. So I'm passing the new class which I just created, new mobile compare by price, okay. So after sorting, okay, by price, you can see here, okay. So, okay, I'm just putting one more, okay. Okay, so you can see. So now if I will get the out how so my when I will run this program, it will sort the list against the price. So let's see. Control F11. See. Okay. So see. This time we are getting sorting by price. See. By default, before sorting, this is like this. Okay. After sorting, see 6,000. This is the smallest one. Then 14,000, 34,000, 56,000, 98,000. It's sorted against the price. Correct. Now, no, tomorrow we have the requirement to sort by the rating. Example, okay? So it should come like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. So we can, what we can do, we can just create one another class, okay? One more class which will sort by the rating, similar to the mobile compare by price. So let's go, let's create, just create new class, okay? So mobile, I will say the mobile compare, mobile, okay? Or sort, okay? Mobile compare by rating, okay. I'm saying that I'm just giving the name, you can give any name, okay. So by rating and just finish it, okay. Here I will implement the comparator interface, implements comparator comparator interface, okay. See, so here we have to give the type, which type of object it will accept. So mobile, I'm telling mobile because I want to compare the mobile, okay. Here you have to add the unimplement method. There's one method which is compare method, okay. So in similar way you can write here. So just uh, okay, so you can, yeah, there's one another way actually if you want to compare, okay, by rating. So I think there is one double, I think double dot compare method, okay. Yes, so here you can pass both o1 o1 dot get, no, it's not double because yes, we are comparing by rating is integer, sorry, okay, integer o1 dot, because see rating type is integer, you can see here mobile, see this is type of integer, okay. So compare to get rating, correct. And d2 means o2 basically, o2 dot get rating. Actually see, if you'll go to inside this method, there is same logic which we have implemented here almost. See, same logic is written there, okay. So but Java's provide this method, so you can use this method compare, but we should know what is the type of, okay. So integer dot compare o1 dot get rating, o2 dot get rating. Let's see whether it works or not, okay. So just go to the test mobile class. Now I'm telling uh, I'm telling this as y so sorted by after sorting by rating, correct? So collections.sort, correct? Here I am passing the list, mobile list, and my new comparator, like new comparator, because it's implement the comparator class. That's why I will call it as comparator. New mobile by mobile compare by rating, correct? See, then I can print. Okay, same object you can use here. See, just copy paste. I'm trying to print. Let's see whether it's sorted or not. Control F11. So you can see here. See, we have got the output. So after sorting by rating, okay. So see, rating one is topmost, rating two is second, rating third is here, rating fourth object is here, rating five object is here. So it's sorted by rating also. See, auto sorting by rating, and this one is sorted by the price. See, 6,000 ascending order, 6,000, 14,000, 34,000, 56, 98,000. Here this is also ascending order. Okay, if you want to achieve the descending order, nothing, you have to do a simple thing. You have to just change the uh, value. Like here, if I will return the -1, okay, here, and here I return the +1, so I will get the descending order. Okay, simply you have to do the -1 here, here mention the +1. Okay, then you can check. Let's go Control F11. So highest one will be on top. You can see the price. Okay, so see 98,000 on top, then 56,000, 34,000, 40,000, 6,000. So we have got the descending order. Okay, and here also, I think in the case of the rating, I think here we have to just pass the okay, we can change it. Okay, so we can do like this. I can mention O2 here, and here I can mention O1. Okay, just save it and then check. So we will have the descending order. Control F11 by rating also. See, 5 4 3 2 1, right? See, 5 4 3 2 1. I hope you guys have understand. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question or query, please put your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.